Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send or to receive uh, goods and dollars from your wallet. You just need to open the Phantom one, and then you can go this receive button. Here, guys, you will have which wallet that you want to receive the goods and so on. You just need to open the other application you will send with, whether scanning this QR code or just copy the address, and then you copy it for another one. Like I mean, you copy this address, then you put it to that one to send the goods to this address. After you are just getting the steps, you need to the sender send you the goods and so on, and then you will receive your goods here in this application. If you want to send, not receive, just press send, then press USD, and then you will get an address or something here, like if you want to scan or something, the wallet address or the wallet QR code to send USDT and the goods to it.